Well, if you want to trade moments like this when you can make free $400 on a simple move, and these moves are something that is repeatedly showing up on different charts, gold, 5-minute charts, different instruments, currency pairs that you can see it's the same repeating move. These kind of moves we're showing since 2010. These are called winning patterns, something that repeatedly shows up at the markets. You can learn that pretty easy on the history charts and trading live in our team. Here in the link below, you can join our team. We're gonna show you some results, how people are trading these pattern in repeated way. These trades are being made on the 5-minute chart, daily chart. Sometimes you make the results like this in a day, sometimes in just a couple of hours of tradings. We have hundreds of results of our clients trading in similar moments using the same strategy in real life. So this is real account, real trading, real recommendations of the people showing what we've been doing last few years. Join, take your seat at our webinar, and take care.